What is up, my YouTube friends, and welcome back to the most epic garage, and welcome back to another super fun detail here on the channel. My name is B with Prey for Snow Auto Detailing, and I am so pumped that you are hanging out with me today because we have this 2019 Ford F250 with about 26,000 miles-ish on it. We are going to detail just the inside. This is a work truck. It has the rubber floor, and you can see there's some floor mats here. The customer purchased those and wants those up front after the detailing is all done, and it looks amazing in here, which is super easy to do. So we'll throw those in for them once we're done. This truck won't be crazy to detail just because rubber floor, we want to extract that. We will have to extract the seats. And how often do you see this door configuration with the suicide door in the rear? I have not seen that very often. Most common that I see here in Utah are the 4-door configuration, whether it's the bigger cab or the normal size cab, but usually the 4 doors regardless. Let's get to work. Rubber mats on rubber floor. This is mine. I'm still kind of chuckling to myself because I pulled that notebook off the dashboard up there, and I thought, that's weird, there's a Jeep key up here, and I know this customer doesn't have a Jeep. It was my Jeep key. I had to move the Jeep to get the truck in the garage. Silly. I have a confession. I forgot to do the before videos before I cleaned a lot of this stuff out. I didn't actually start vacuuming yet, so it's not a true before. Sorry, that's on me. See this beautiful rubber look right here? That's what we're aiming for, obviously, with the entire rubber floor. Beautiful, nasty, dirty. Not a ton of carpet or fabric to clean. We're just gonna do the seats. That's it. These center consoles, whether they're fabric or leather or fake leather, whatever it is, they always get super gross. Fabric is probably my least favorite material because it's harder to get and keep clean regardless. We're gonna clean it the exact same way that we clean everything else. The foaming citrus carpet cleaner, agitate it, then extract it. with fabric done, it is time to move on to plastics. But before we do that, it's story time, because I promised an epic viewer I would tell the story of why or how I've detailed more side-by-sides than I have cars. A couple of years ago, a lot of years ago now, I worked in an off-road dealership. I sold Polaris, specifically Polaris off-road machines. And shocker, I was as neurotic about detailing back then as I am now. And since I worked in the off-road industry, I detailed a ton of those side-by-sides and four-wheelers and snowmobiles and on-road motorcycles. I mean, I detailed them all, and I detailed so much. Pretty much a bike a day for many years, and sometimes way more. And it was awesome. A lot of fond memories came back when I cleaned that Polaris Pro or Razor Pro R, whatever. The game has changed even since I got out of it, but it brought back a lot of fond memories because I did love working in that industry, but I think I like detailing cars a lot more. I have 2 sets of cleaning equipment for the interior. You can see that the overspray from the carpet cleaning got on the rubber floor mats a little bit, but I'm going to use the nicer detailing brushes on the plastic and the dashboard and all of that stuff, as well as the nicer microfiber towels. And then on the ground, I'm just going to use older equipment because I just don't want to tank my brushes or my microfiber towels. So I'm going to switch off a little bit there. Obviously, we'll start up high and move down low. Remember, on the rubber floor, we're going to use the same cleaning equipment, just different materials. We have older microfiber rags that I don't care if they get destroyed, older detailing brush, as well as the same interior cleaner from P&S. Last little bit that we have to clean for the plastics is just this rear floor mat. While doing the dressing, which of course is going to be GoPro Hero because it's one of my faves, I'm going to use the two different methods or styles or pieces of equipment. Rather than using my nice microfiber towels on the floor, I'm going to use just some older microfiber towels with the older detailing brush. I'm actually really excited to post this video because I get teased or tons of flack for using a detailing brush on large areas. One, I think it's really fun. Two, it's really effective. Three, it makes me laugh that some of my shorter content gets mocked to scorn because I do it. So I'm gonna keep doing it. To clean the windows, we're going to use Streak Free from Chemical Guys and a microfiber towel, and of course a Little Tree, I can't really smell that great, but a Little Tree car freshener. I want to know, comment down below, what is your favorite smell from the Little Tree Company? If you say anything other than Peachy Peach, shame on you. I would of course like to take some time to thank the customer. Thank you, epic customer, for letting me detail this work truck. It was so much fun to detail. I think the results were awesome. Really good buy on those WeatherTech formats. I think they are amazing. Really hope you love this detail, and I hope you love this video. I really appreciate you watching. Of course, I want to give a shout out to the heater. It actually held sway today the entire day, which is so epic because that is a heat pump, so it's not supposed to work when it's below, I think, 13 degrees Fahrenheit. And I know when the boys and I did our weekly donut run today, it was for below 0 Fahrenheit, which was so cold. So it's turned off once or twice, but then it just keeps kicking back on. So I have no idea how, because I know it's colder than 13 out there right now, but booyah. Subscribe, link to another video. Of course, I hope that you love this content. And if you want to detail with me, head on down and detail that like button, my friends. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.